A basic analysis in OTBI can be created in more than one way. My name is Marlies Steenkamp, and in this video, I will be doing a basic analysis with you in the OTBI Oracle Cloud environment. We will now be creating our basic analysis in the work area under Reports and Analytics. I'm already logged into my demo environment. I am going to go to my navigator. Then we are going to scroll down to Tools, where we are going to open Reports and Analytics. We are now in the work area under Reports and Analytics. Now this is the first way that we are going to show you how to create a basic analysis. From here, you need to go up to Create, select Analysis. The area that is displaying now is all of the pre-built-in subject areas. You would need to know which subject area it is that you need to use for your analysis that you want to create. We are going to scroll to Procurement. We will be selecting and working today in the Procurement Procure to Pay real-time environment. I'm going to select Continue. You will notice here at the top that there are several train stops that you will need to work through in order for you to be able to create this basic analysis. We are going to expand our subject area, and then we see a lot of folders. I'm going to open Purchase Order, and from here I'm going to select the following columns that I'm going to use in my analysis: Buyer, Item. I'm then going to collapse my purchase order folder and scroll to another one, Purchase Order Measures. In this folder, we are going to select Delivered Amount, Ordered Amount, and I'm going to add a date into my analysis as well. I'm going to open Time, Open Date, and select Calendar Month. Now, we are now going to go over to the next train stop. Next train stop is to select the view and also to remember to give your view an appropriate name. Going forward, it would just make it easier for you to remember this view and to use it again. I'm going to name my view Buyer, Info, and Table. I'm also going to select that. Then I like to preview my data at all times so that I can see what I'm working with. Our data is now showing, so we can go on to the next step. On this step, you can edit your table. Now, we have selected our columns in a random order, but if you do wish to move a column to the left or to the right, this will be the place where you are doing it. I am firstly going to move my calendar month to the left of my table. I'm also going to move my delivered amount to the far right of my table. I'm happy with the order of my columns. I'm going to go over to the next train stop. Now, I just want to focus you on the next step, which is step 4 that says Edit Graph. It is disabled currently, as we do not have a graph currently in this analysis. It's going to jump over to step number 5 now. So on this step, we can sort according to any of the columns. We can also add a filter if we wish to do so. I'm going to sort according to my calendar month. Going to move over to the next step. On this step, you will be able to highlight certain amounts if you wish to do so. I'm going to go for the delivered amount. I want to see especially all of the delivered amounts under $100. Then I would also like to see the amounts above $10,000. I would like to view them in the color yellow. Going to go over to the next step is where we are going to save this analysis. On step 2, we gave the view a name, which we named Buy Info Table. On this step, we are going to save the whole analysis, which means if there were more than one view, maybe for instance, like a table view and a graph view, then they would be combined in this analysis. On step 2, we were saving the view as Buy Info Table. Now we need to save the whole analysis. In this specific analysis that we created, there is only one view. Mostly, when you create analysis, you will have probably more than one view, a graph and a table. So now we are going to give this analysis a specific name and either save it under your personal folders or save it under the shared folders where it can be accessed by the rest of your business. I'm going to create this analysis under the name just buyer info, and I'm going to create a new folder. This new folder is under my folders. I saved the folder under my folders, and we are going to save this specific analysis inside of that folder. In the next video, we will be looking at creating an OTBI analysis in the BI Developer Cloud environment. This is the first video of this series. There are 5 more videos to follow. Please follow along. After completing all of the videos in this series, you will be receiving a certificate of completion from Panameer.com. See you in the next one.